Hey everyone, with the release of the Lumix S9, Panasonic has significantly expanded its renowned Lumix S series. The Lumix S9, which is known for its thin and light design, is the most portable camera in the series at just 403 grams. Professionals looking to expand their creative possibilities with a versatile shooting setup and a chic look will find this small powerhouse ideal. The Lumix S9 has a sleek and fashionable look in addition to being small. It can be purchased in multiple color variations to suit the artistic tastes of a wide variety of photographers and filmmakers. The camera's free flip screen increases its versatility by making it simple for users to take pictures from different perspectives. At the heart of the Lumix S9 is a 24.2 megapixels full-frame CMOS sensor, which supports dual native ISO for improved performance in different lighting conditions. The camera offers 6K OpenGate and 4K 60p output, providing high-resolution options for both photos and videos. Additionally, the 1.5x crop functionality enhances versatility, allowing users to tailor their shots more precisely. One of the standout features of the Lumix S9 is its 5-axis body stabilization, which significantly reduces camera shake and blur, especially during handheld shooting. This stabilization, combined with phase focus functions, ensures sharp and stable images in a variety of shooting scenarios. The Lumix S9 includes a dedicated button for the real-time LUT filter function, enabling quick access to several LUT filters directly within the camera. This feature allows photographers and videographers to apply creative color grading and effects on the fly, without the need for post-processing on a computer. The Panasonic Lumix S9 is now retailing in China for $1,520. Details regarding the camera's worldwide availability are still pending. However, it is anticipated that the camera will soon be released in a few international areas. With its remarkable feature set and reputation as the smallest and lightest camera in the Lumix S range, the Lumix S9 is expected to create a lot of demand worldwide. The Panasonic Lumix S9 is a fantastic addition to the Lumix S series, combining portability with cutting-edge functionality and a chic aesthetic. Professionals wishing to explore and develop their creative potential in both photography and videography will find it to be the perfect option due to its lightweight design, strong imaging capabilities, and creative tools. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will wait for them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.